Hello, everybody. I'm Dr. Soni Soman, working as specialist ophthalmologist with Aster Jubilee Clinic, Bardubai.
Hi, my name is Dr. Vaibhav Sharma. I am a specialist ophthalmologist working with Aster Jubilee Clinic, Bardubai.
Today, we are here to discuss regarding diabetes and the complications that are associated with it as far as eyes are concerned. So, Dr. Vaibhav, what do you think that the complications of diabetes are as far as our department is concerned?
Diabetes, considering we routinely get a lot of patients related to that, but diabetes not only affects retina, which is like common notion, it affects from front part of that is anterior segment to the posterior segment. Usually the diagnosis which we reach with all these diabetic patients is from anterior segment, it is most commonly dryness. And then lens changes like early cataract irrespective of age, that can be there. Posteriorly, if we go further, they might present with some non-proliferative like small dot hemorrhages. Along with that, sometimes retinal edema and retinal hemorrhages can be there. Apart from that, vitreous hemorrhage in severe cases can present. And the most important thing, I think prevention is the only thing which is there.
Correct. So, prevention, that is treating the etiology, which is diabetes, is the most important key here. Taking care of your duration for which you've been diabetic and the fluctuating sugars, which will be managed by your physician, becomes a very important role to take care of the complications. That's why it's very important that we should go for a regular follow-up.
Yeah, regular for like once in every year, irrespective of type 1 or type 2 diabetes, everybody has to get treated. Apart from that, we have all the screening machines and diagnostic tools available with us, and we are routinely doing it in our clinic. And if patient lands up into any severe kind of categories like proliferative diabetic retinopathy in which there is hemorrhage and all, we have treatment options also available like intravitreal injection and surgical options as well.
Exactly. So depending upon the severity, the modality or the treatment modality will keep varying. So patient to patient, there will be difference in the treatment as well. So the takeaway point here is that it has to be taken care, that is diabetes and other comorbidities, that is blood pressure, cholesterol and anemia has to be taken care along with a regular follow-up to take care of your ocular health and your general health.